Herb Clapp here to share some new sounds from Wheel Horse with you. This will give you some idea of the exciting radio spots available, backed by the Wheel Horse Power theme.
Wheel horse, there's no power like wheel horse power on any kind of breed. Lawn or garden, big or small, any kind of breed. There's no power like wheel horse power on any kind of breed.
Don't let your lawn overpower you this summer. Put power, Wheel Horse Power, on your side, and you'll mow that grass down twice as fast. With a 1970 Wheel Horse tractor, you'll get automatic driving power, electric starting power, hydraulic lifting power. Move up to Wheel Horse Power. It's the pick of the pros.
Wheel horse, there's no power like wheel horse power on any kind of breed. Wheel horse power, wheel horse power, wheel horse power.
Now here's a colorful way to score with the All-Pro line from Wheel Horse.
Wheel horse, there's no power like wheel horse power on any kind of breed. Lawn or garden, big or small, any kind of breed. There's no power like wheel horse power on any kind of breed.
Are you feeling blue because of too much green in your yard? Cheer up. Now you can have a colorful summer with that red thoroughbred, the Wheel Horse 22-inch riding mower. It has a powerful 5-horse rear engine, a 2-speed transmission, and a floating action non-scalping mower that'll cut your mowing time in half. Ride it and see. Wheel Horse. It's the pick of the pros.
Wheel horse, there's no power like wheel horse power on any kind of breed. Wheel horse power, wheel horse power, wheel horse power.
Listen to this one on 42 attachments.
Wheel horse, there's no power like wheel horse power on any kind of breed. Lawn or garden, big or small, any kind of breed. There's no power like wheel horse power on any kind of breed.
Isn't it time you stopped wrestling with your lawn and your garden? Pushing a mower, raking the grass, hoeing, shoveling dirt, hauling it around in that old wheelbarrow? Don't let old-fashioned tools manhandle you. With a Wheel Horse tractor and 42 back-sating attachments, you can do it all so easily. Save yourself for better things with Wheel Horse. It's the pick of the pros.
Wheel horse, there's no power like wheel horse power on any kind of breed. Wheel horse power, wheel horse power, wheel horse power.
Get on top of snowmobile sales with this ditty.
Wheel horse, there's no power like wheel horse power in any kind of snow. Like anywhere to drive, any kind of snow. There's no power like wheel horse power in any kind of snow.
Jump the generation gap with Safari, the all-family snowmobile from Wheel Horse. There's room for Dad and Mom and one of the kids as you fly swiftly, safely, surely over snow-covered hill and dale. You'll leave winter boredom behind when you ride a Wheel Horse Safari. It's the pick of the pros.
Wheel horse, there's no power like wheel horse power in any kind of snow. Wheel horse power, wheel horse power, wheel horse power.
And lead the pack in snow attachments with this one.
Wheel horse, there's no power like wheel horse power in any kind of snow. Like anywhere to drive, any kind of snow. There's no power like wheel horse power in any kind of snow.
Powerful music calls for a powerful question. To throw snow for a loss, what kind of power play do the pros call? A wheel horse power play, of course. You throw snow 10 yards and clean a 40-foot driveway slick as a whistle in 4 minutes flat when you team up with a wheel horse tractor and snow thrower attachment. Before the next snowfall, check Wheel Horse Power. It's the pick of the pros.
Wheel horse. There's no power like wheel horse power in any kind of snow. Wheel horse power, wheel horse power, wheel horse power.
That's just a sampling of the radio commercials available to help you sell wheel horse snowmobiles, tractors, and attachments. We've got many more available that describe wheel horse rotary mowers, snow throwers, lawn and garden tractors, and attachments. Order your radio tape now and have the biggest year yet with Wheel Horse, of course.